Python, find pattern in a string. I am trying to find a way to match a pattern P in a string S in Python. I just tried. Both return false. They are supposed to be true.
I convert your pattern into a regular expression that can then be used by re.match. For example, your Zizix becomes dot plus dot plus dot plus backslash 3 backslash 2 backslash $1. The first occurrence of each letter becomes a capture group, dot plus, and subsequent occurrences become the proper back reference.
You could make use of regular expressions. Have a look here for some examples. Link. I think you could use re.search. A Campbell.
If I'm understanding your question, you're looking for a Pythonic approach to pattern matching across a set of strings. Here is an example demonstrating the use of list comprehensions to achieve this goal. I hope it helps you reach your goal. Please let me know if I can help further. Jo. Demonstrate no match found. Demonstrate combination of matches and no match in the result. Demonstrate single statement.
Compile a Python regular expressions object for some pattern of interest, and then pass the string to its match string method. You'll want to use a match object if you need a Boolean output, this URL. Example, check string S for any word character, that is, alphanumerics. Hope it helps.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.